Looking for how to fix Google search not working problem on Android phone. In this video I show you how to fix Google search not working problem on Android. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google app, update Google app if available any update version. Now go back to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps or application management. Now search for Google. Tap on Google, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now open Google. Now I hope that this method fix Google search not working problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.